Give her a box, and this is what we get. All it's going to do is rubber fuse across the make noises.